Hi Pisces, welcome to your end of the year forecast for 2020. Now I'm going to be covering the months September, October, November and December. Please remember that these are general readings, so take from them what you can and leave the rest for others. Also, time is fluid and the roles can be reversed. Please remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon if you like this reading. I don't know if I already said that. Kind of feel like I'm repeating myself. So, the energy for the following months are 4 of air, High Priestess reversed, 2 of air, and then we have 8 of earth. Pisces, I feel like you have been feeling mentally and emotionally so drained. It's time for you to take some time off from work, from relationships, from people, and take a vacation. You need to give yourself some more time to make a decision or arrive at a decision. Meditation is something that's highly recommended for you at this time. We also have the Queen of Swords here, so I definitely feel that you have realized the powers or what you need to do, where you're at in life. The High Priestess reversed is talking to me about some truth coming at you or being revealed to you very soon. Wow. We also have the Two of Air. I feel like, since the beginning of the reading with the Four of Airs, you are having a difficulty with taking some decision, and something is being revealed to you, and that might again cause a little bit of a delay, or, it wants you to delay taking a decision. There's a stalemate energy here. So that tells me if even if you arrive at a decision right now, that's not going to be for the highest good of all involved. And you could even be telling yourself there isn't a problem, but with the Nine of Pentacles, I feel like you're trying to overcome a situation by not looking at it or trying to put it behind you. That's how you're trying to deal with it, because mentally it's very exhausting for you. Okay, let me go see. With the King of Swords, I feel like there is this energy of someone or something that has been keeping you too tied and up, very disturbed. But you're overcoming that with the Six of Wands. I see that you're definitely making a move. You're making a move. I can't call this as the final one, but you're moving towards a better opportunity, a better situation, and away from this problematic person or situation. With the Nine of Pentacles and the card of the Sun, I feel like your finances are going to bring in a lot more abundant time. You could be approached by more people, new people, wanting to collaborate with you, help you go forward with your plans. This purely seems like a blessing. You've been wanting to do something and someone steps in to help you with that. This seems like a blessing. With the card of Ten of Cups here, this could be like a happy family situation or people coming to you from within the family, your own amity or circle of people or friends like family coming forward to help you. Brilliant time, because I know in past few readings for Pisces, I have been getting that you guys have been contemplating leaving something old behind, wanting to step into new with your ideas, and being able to generate the kind of comfort, contentment, security that you want. And that's the time for you right now. The end of the year is doing that for you. Some kind of research work you've done in the past is being rewarded, and the reward may not be like a memento, but this could be in the form of people or right energies coming into your life to help you go forward with your plans. I'm also being asked to ask you to do a little more research. If you need to learn something at this point, this is a very good time to learn. I also feel you're going to be pulled out of the state of confusion if you have been going through that with the Seven of Cups and the card of the Tower, because universe doesn't want to see you in that state anymore. It's going to help you. So it's going to bring you out of the situation that you were either stuck in or was pulling you back, and now you have help from the universe doing that for you. It might feel a bit shaky, but that's going to be just for a few days, not for long. I don't see you reeling under that pressure for a long time. With the card of Wheel of Fortune, you see, I feel that, see, I have been telling you, universe is out there waiting to help you. Just need to put your hand forward and you arrive at the situation of Wheel of Fortune. Something old is definitely shut down for you, all the more because universe wants it to. It's not just you who wants that. You have these powerful energies on your side right now, Pisces. I feel there could be someone offering you a proposal at this point in time, but a word of caution for you. This may not be a person who has a lot to offer, so their own cup is running dry, and that's why they're coming towards you to fill theirs through your cup. But understand, if they only take from you, there's going to be severe imbalance in this energy. You can't just keep giving, and this kind of feels like the reading I just did for Scorpios, where the universe is sending them a test, and that's again the pattern that they are trying to step out of or almost out of, and there's a test from another person of a similar nature coming in, and trying to see if they're ready to move forward, or they will fall back into that test in that pattern. And there's something similar coming in here for you also, Pisces, but this isn't a very difficult one. You will know. There's a Nine of Swords. So for time being, I definitely see you feeling worn out and unable to make a decision. You are definitely not feeling your high and happy self. Some of you could even be thinking about a past relationship and maybe feeling whether that's going to come around, or you want to go back to that, or would you ever go back to that. You are having these inner conflicts. The conversation is going on in your head. But I see you pulling yourself away from this, which is the good news. With the Five of Swords, I see you pulling yourself out of this. With the card of the Star, you are definitely in for a more abundant time, Pisces. Definitely. We have the card of the Judgment, and I feel like a reward is coming your way. I don't go by the literal meaning of the cards, and I go by the intuitive meaning. I feel like a reward is coming to you with regards to a relationship, a person, someone supportive coming in your life. And this is happening after you've pulled yourself out of the past situations or past people that you knew were definitely not for your highest good. Remember, I told you with the Nine of Pentacles, you're trying to walk away from this energy, and the way you're trying to deal with it is by not paying too much attention to that. And that's what is being rewarded. You are gradually able to fade the memories of the old ties and connections and people and situations and move towards the card of the Star. We also have the Seven of Wands. You are doing so much in your mind right now, Pisces. So much power to you from the universe. You are definitely wanting to take care of yourself and not go back to anything and everything that, or anyone who just wanted to get a piece of your life and not pay back, or not have something to balance that, what they're taking from you. But now you are going to put an end to that. You are. Let's see what the universe has to say for you. We have the card of the World. Okay. So after the Wheel of Fortune, the card, the Star, there's so many major arcana cards here. There's the Sun. Two, three, five, six major arcana cards here already. I feel you've got to be open to new possibilities. Something that has happened with you in the past has not been in the good taste, and now you want to go out, but you're still a little skeptical. However, you are healing. So when you're healing, you will be able to move out and take care of these new opportunities. With the card of the angel, your angels are guiding and protecting you on your spiritual journey. So know that you are divinely protected here. Let's draw you some cards from the spirits, the angels. Please give me more about Pisces. For Pisces, please. We have brilliant idea. Yes, your idea is divinely guided. Please take action and bring your idea to fruition. So, Pisces, everything here I have been speaking of has been speaking to me about you coming out with that idea, or something that you have been thinking about in the past few weeks and months. And now you're coming out of that. You're being actually encouraged to come out with that because there are people, resources, and the universe on your side. What else is left? What else do you need? Let's see what the spirit has to say to you. For Pisces, please. So we have new beginnings. Pisces, could this reading get any more specific to your sign? Everything in life is constantly vibrating and moving, and therefore continuously changing and evolving. Be aware that a new beginning is on the horizon. Have courage and faith, because right now life is trying to nudge you forward and move you in a new direction. So I told you, spirits, guides, angels, the universe, not just them, they're sending real people in your life who can take care of you or help you steer your life in a direction that you have been wanting to. This is definitely a beautiful time of new beginnings for you in your life. Let's see some more cards for you from the spirit. Wow. Now, I don't know what is with you, water signs, but I have got the card of a child's love for all of you. Like Cancer got this, Scorpios got this, and now for you, Pisces. The love between a parent and the child is one of the most precious and deep connections we make during our time on earth. Children start out as part of us, and from their first cries, they establish themselves as the biggest part of our hearts. See how this fits into your life. I don't know what to say, but it's definitely going to make sense to you. And the other card we have from Spirit is Stand Your Ground. And I feel you are definitely, your roots have dug deep into the ground, Mother Earth, and now you're ready to grow. Standing your ground is an empowering confidence, building action to take from time to time. Now is the moment when you need to stand your ground. You know you can do it, and you know that by doing so, you will be the victor. Pisces, this entire reading has been talking about empowerment for your sign, for walking away from the old and the unuseful things, people, and situations that were definitely not for your highest good, and stepping into the energy of the new with your team of high holy helpers on your side. Remember, the universe, your loved ones here in on this plane, your guides, your angels, they're all on your side. And now you need to take the step forward. That's it. That's what I'm getting for you, Pisces. I hope you like this reading. I hope this helps. And if you'd like a free reading from me, do join me on Facebook and Instagram, like the page and follow me there so you can get notified when I am going live and get your questions answered from me. Also, if you'd like to book a private reading, you can send me a mail on kavyajaswal9@gmail.com. That's down there in the description box below. Okay. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon. Right. Until we meet again, you stay beautiful.